Hi everybody, Greg Davis here in Thunderbolt, Georgia. Want to give you a quick look at a new 240 Scout that just came in. It comes with the 300 Yamaha. Great walk-through access in and out of the boat. This one has the bench seat in the back, live well. Leaning post here has great storage, tackle storage, drink holders, grab handle, extra rod holders. Got the 12-inch Garmin, the Yamaha display, Fusion stereo, has a VHF already installed, lockable glove box with connectivity here. One thing great about all the Scouts is the tempered glass windshield, great protection from the elements, but it's open at the top to let air come through and ventilate. We'll walk around this way real quick and give you a look at the bow. This one does have a vacuum flush head, very easy in and out. All your battery switches are in there also. Walking to the front, great seating up front, dedicated anchor storage under each, cushions on each side, rod and drink holders in the front. One of the great things about this model is the sofa here in the front with the garage. Great for storage. Could also be used as a fish box and plumbed. If you'd like more information on this boat or any one we carry here at MarineMax in Savannah, feel free to give us a call at 912-897-9881. Thank you.